Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Google account you want to use and that you know its password. Once done, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and that the app or operating system is updated. This prevents hidden compatibility blocks. Open the app or site showing Use My Google account instead and go directly to Account or Sign in Settings. You'll do a force switch instead of adding another account. This is faster and avoids conflicts with saved credentials. Next, you actively remove conflicts. Sign out of the app or browser profiles that keep the old account attached, because lingering sessions cause automatic reversion. If sign out doesn't stick, clear the app cache or browser cookies so stored tokens are removed. Then tap Sign in with Google, pick the correct account, and explicitly grant the requested permissions. By doing this, you replace the previous identity token instead of layering accounts, which is why the app will now use your Google account instead. Finish by verifying your profile and sync settings inside the app so data maps to your account. Make sure all permission prompts are accepted. If the app still reverts, go to your Google account, open Security, then third-party access and revoke the old app tokens so nothing can auto-authenticate. Once revoked, sign in again with your desired account. Finally, restart the app or device to clear lingering sessions if problems remain. That token revocation is the key troubleshooting step to force a clean sign-in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.